This is a short video to cover some of the frequently asked questions on the new Android version of our CaskFinder app. So if we open it, it's got a new logo and opens onto a news page showing some of the latest things been happening in the beer and brewing industry. Down the bottom of the app we have the 5 key features of the app for quick access: pubs, beers, QR code scanner for ale trails and beer festivals. At the top left we have hamburger menu with a few other things, and extra items will appear in here as we go, including access to log in, log out, and brewers. So if we click on pubs, if you've given your phone or the app access to your location, it will zoom in and find out where you are, show your nearest pubs. If we go to ale trails, you're looking for your scans. If it's showing 0, then it probably means you're not logged in. So if you click here, you can go to login. If you can't remember your password, enter your email address and click forgot password, and it should email you a link to reset it. If this doesn't work, then contact us info@cask-marque.co.uk or phone us 01206 752 212. I'm going to enter my details there and click in, and down the bottom it says welcome back to CaskFinder to show you're logged in. If you go out and then back in again, it updates it to show the number of scans. I've got 195. You can click here to view the prizes, and it shows you the pubs you visited below, and you can click through to the various pubs. One new feature of this is we now have not only the world's biggest ale trail, which we previously had, but we also have these other ale trails showing you how far away you are from them. These will be expanding in numbers as we go. There's just a few on here at the moment. But you can, for example, click on the Wainwright Pennine Way walk, and it will show you all the pubs participating. You can view them on a map. You need to join these ale trails to be able to scan codes on them, but there's various prizes you can win for these as well. So for 15 scans, for example, you win a boxed Wainwright glass, and 25 scans you win a brand new t-shirt. So prizes are not all showing on these yet, but in due course all these ale trails will give prizes for you to win as you visit pubs. So that's pretty much a snapshot of what's going on with new features. Hope you enjoy using it. Thanks very much.